Alright, language explorers. Let's have a look at today's Saturday phrasal verb. So press on. Press on. To keep going with something. To keep going. Keep pushing. I want to press on with the plans. I just pressed on with recording the videos. Yes. We just pressed on and drove around Scotland. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. They are going to press on without me. I'll stay here and they'll continue. They will press on and continue north. She will press on with her adventure outdoors. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? So, yeah, we pressed on all night. We just kept going all night. We just kept going and pressed on all night. Nothing stopped us. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Perhaps they are pressing on now as we speak. Yeah, they really should just press on and we will meet them there. They'll press on, we'll meet them there. How cool is that? Yeah. They will be pressing on tonight at 8 p.m. They will keep pushing and going tonight at 8 p.m. I will not press on without them, but I will see them tomorrow. If they keep pressing on, then we might be together later on this evening. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, definitely. So, can you use press on? Yes, just keep going in a sentence. Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.